Hi, everyone. Today, we are practicing 30 essential phrases for your daily commute. Whether you take the bus, the train, or the subway, these phrases will help you travel with confidence. You'll learn the vocabulary and master the rhythm of the language. No more waiting. Let's get moving.
I leave my house at 8 o'clock.
I leave my house at 8 o'clock.
I walk to the nearest bus stop.
I walk to the nearest bus stop.
It takes me 5 minutes to get there.
It takes me 5 minutes to get there.
I always check the bus schedule.
I always check the bus schedule.
Today, the bus is slightly delayed.
Today, the bus is slightly delayed.
A small crowd has gathered already.
A small crowd has gathered already.
I see people staring at their phones.
I see people staring at their phones.
Finally, the bus pulls up to the curb.
Finally, the bus pulls up to the curb.
I wait for the passengers to alight.
I wait for the passengers to alight.
I board the bus and find a seat.
I board the bus and find a seat.
I tap my credit card to pay the fare.
I tap my credit card to pay the fare.
The bus is packed during rush hour.
The bus is packed during rush hour.
I have to squeeze through the crowd.
I have to squeeze through the crowd.
I grab the handrail to keep my balance.
I grab the handrail to keep my balance.
The driver accelerates quite suddenly.
The driver accelerates quite suddenly.
I nearly bumped into an elderly lady.
I nearly bumped into an elderly lady.
I apologized for being so clumsy.
I apologized for being so clumsy.
She gave me a faint smile in return.
She gave me a faint smile in return.
We are stuck in a massive traffic jam.
We are stuck in a massive traffic jam.
The engine is idling loudly outside.
The engine is idling loudly outside.
I glance at my watch every minute.
I glance at my watch every minute.
I'm afraid I might be late for work.
I'm afraid I might be late for work.
I should have taken the subway instead.
I should have taken the subway instead.
The bus finally reaches my destination.
The bus finally reaches my destination.
I press the button to request a stop.
I press the button to request a stop.
I step off the bus onto the pavement.
I step off the bus onto the pavement.
I make a dash for the office building.
I make a dash for the office building.
I swiped my ID card at the entrance.
I swiped my ID card at the entrance.
I managed to arrive just in time.
I managed to arrive just in time.
Now I can finally settle down to work.
Now I can finally settle down to work. Great job today. Remember, consistency is the key to a natural accent, so keep shadowing and keep growing. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more practice. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful, organized day. Bye for now.